Hi, I'm Heidrun Metzler. I was born and raised in Germany, and I have been writing and creating this delicious book called German Heritage Baking. And I hope you enjoy it. Here are some details about the book. Have you ever wished for clear step-by-step guidance in master baking? I wrote German Heritage Baking because I believe the art of baking needs to be passed on like it was generations before. Today I see many people experimenting with baking, but finding clear and precise instructions can be challenging. That's why I included step-by-step guidance, even QR codes for quick links to video tutorials. You will learn how to bake authentic German desserts, and trust me, the flavors will amaze you. From authentic Black Forest to creamy cheesecakes and Linzer torte, these desserts are not just delicious, they are unforgettable. Grab a copy and amaze everyone with your creations. You can find me at heidrunmetzler.com, YouTube, Vimeo.com, Instagram, and Pinterest. Happy baking!